Welcome to MixMasters Craft Cocktails. It's Halloween, trick or treat. We got a trick and a treat for you. This week we're gonna do a Black Widow smash. We gotta do a little muddling this time. So we're gonna take about 6 blackberries. A little rosemary. A lot of rosemary. I like that rosemary to come through. We're gonna do about a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. And about a 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. And honey syrup is thick. You gotta lay that on sometime. Got you? Now we're gonna muddle this. Till we get a nice dark color. Get all those juices out. You really gotta get in there and get the rosemary out. Okay? Gotta add a little tequila. We got some special Halloween Espolòn tequila. About 1.5 ounces. I like to stir it up just a little bit. Some people shake them, but I just stir it. Doesn't water it down. Let the ice do that in the glass. Ice your glass, strain. Garnish with a little rosemary sprig. With a few blackberries. And then you have your Black Widow smash.